Hello everyone. Today we'll cover two topics from English grammar. The topics are articles and homophones for class 4. Children, please take out your books and exercise copies and open to page 102 and get ready for the class. So at first, we'll discuss about articles. Before we go through the chapter, first of all, we must know what are articles. Let's see what are articles. A, an and the are called articles. An article is a word used before a noun to modify the noun. Articles define whether a noun is used in a specific context or in a general context. The articles a, an and the are categorized in different types as per their usage. Let's look into that now. Types of articles. Articles are categorized in two different types. They are definite articles and indefinite articles. The comes under definite article because it shows uniqueness or specific thing. A and an comes under indefinite articles because it doesn't show any uniqueness or specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is being said in general. Now let's see when to use a or an. Basically, children, there are 26 letters in English. We all know that. Out of which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And the rest 21 consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. If a word is beginning with a vowel sound, then an is used. Whereas if a word is beginning with a consonant sound, then a ye is used. Children, please note, we have to check the vowel sounds and consonant sounds before we put a or an. Now let's see the example before vowels. An ant, an enemy, an umbrella. See, all are beginning with vowel sound as well as letter. Okay, that's why we are writing an ant, an enemy, an umbrella. But see the last one, an R. Here H is a consonant, but still we are writing an. Do you know why? Because H is a consonant, but still H is silent here. And the word sound begins with a vowel sound. That's why we are using an before R. And examples of consonants, let's see. A boy, a horse, a university, a European, a 1 rupee note. See children, before university, European and 1 rupee note, we are writing a. Why? Even though the words are beginning with vowel letters, why are we writing a? Because their sounds are of consonant words. That's why we are writing a university. a European, a 1 rupee note. I hope you understood. Now, when to use the? The is used in various cases. Let's see to it. We use the before things that are one of a kind or unique. For example, the sun, the President of India. These all are specific things. There is only one sun, one President of India. That's why we are using the. Now, we use the to refer to something or someone we have spoken of before, or when we are sure that the reader or listener knows what we are referring to. The movie was excellent. Did you read the letter? The is also used with some proper nouns such as the names of rivers, books, newspapers and monuments. For example, the Ganga, the Times of India. Before the names of some groups of islands and countries, the is used. For example, the United Kingdom, the Lakshadweep Island. When talking about something that represents a kind, class or whole, we use the. For example, the tiger is an endangered species. We should respect the flag. Again, while talking about a group or kind of people, we use the. Example, the Spanish, the elderly person. Before ordinal numbers and superlatives, we again use the. See the example, the third chapter, the tallest girl. When talking about a particular periods of time and directions, we use the. The evening, the 21st century. So children, that's all about articles. Now, we'll do some exercises related to the chapter. Please note it down in your exercise copies. Write the heading articles and write fill in the blanks using a, an and the. Fill in the blanks using a, an and the. Number 1. He gave me dash 1 rupee note. Can you guess the answer? We have already discussed this. The answer is a, because the word 1 begins with a consonant sound, even though O is a vowel. Okay, that's why we are writing a 1 rupee note. Number 2. Ram is dash taller of the 2 brothers. The answer is the. Ram is the taller of the 2 brothers. Number 3. Suraj was given dash post of a peon. The answer is the. Suraj was given the post of a peon. Please write it down. Number 4. Mr. Paul went to dash church to pray. Mr. Paul went to the church to pray. Italy is dash European country. Again, what will we put here? A or an? Italy is a European country. Why? Because European, even though it's beginning with E, a vowel, but the sound is of consonant. That's why we will use here A. Italy is a European country. Number 6. Let us discuss dash matter seriously. Let us discuss the matter seriously. The matter. Okay. Number 7. New York is a large city. New York is a large city. Are you attending dash reception today? Are you attending the reception today? She wants to become an engineer. Here, engineer is a vowel sound. Okay, the word is beginning with a vowel sound. That's why we can write an. She wants to become an engineer. Dash lion is a ferocious animal. The lion. Okay. Now children, for your practice work, you will do the exercises given in the book at page 103 and 104. In the book itself, you will do it in the book itself by your own. Now we'll move on to another interesting topic, that is homophones. Now let's see what are homophones. Okay, what is a homophone? Homophone is made of two words. Homo means same and phone means sound. Combining them, it becomes words having same sound. It means they have something in common or same but differ in some other thing. There are words in English that have same sound but have completely different meaning as well as spellings. These words are called homophones. Once again, I am repeating. This is not in your book. You can copy it down in your exercise copies. Okay. Homophones are words having same sound but have different meanings and spellings. Now let's move on to some examples. See children, number 1, S-O-N sun, S-U-N sun. Can you see the difference? See the difference? S-O-N sun, there is a difference in the spelling. S-O-N sun, S-U-N sun. The pronunciation is same, but the spelling and meanings are totally different. Okay, so S-O-N sun means it is a boy in relation to his parents, and S-U-N sun means it refers to the star around which the earth revolves. Number 2, S-E-E-C, S-E-A-C. The pronunciations are same, but the spelling and meaning are totally different. Now see, S-E-E-C, what is the meaning? Is to watch with eyes, and S-E-A-C, it refers to a large lake. Number 3, P-L-A-I-N, plain, means simple, and P-L-A-N-E, plane, it means an aeroplane. Number 4, A-T-E, ate. Ate means past tense of eat, and E-I-G-H-T, ate, is a number. Number 5, W-A-I-T, wait, to stay where one is or to stop or pause, and W-E-I-G-H-T, wait, means heaviness. Number 6, S-T-E-A-L, steal. Steal means to take something from someone without their permission and without intending to return. And S-T-E-E-L, still, a hard element used as a structural and fabricating material. Number 7, S-O-M-E, sum, an unspecified amount or number, and S-U-M, sum, means addition. Number 8, P-A-I-R, pair. Pair means a set of two things, and P-E-A-R, pear, means a fruit. Number 9, K-N-O-W, know. Know means to have knowledge or information, and N-O, know, it is used to give a negative response. Number 10, K-N-I-G-H-T, night. Night means a soldier, and N-I-G-H-T, night, it is the opposite of day. Okay, day and night, darkness. Okay. Number 11, F-E-A-T, feat. Feat means an achievement that requires great courage, skill or strength, and F-E-E-T, feat, it is the plural form of foot. Number 12, D-E-W, dew. Tiny drops of water that form on cool surfaces at night, and D-U-E, dew, a payment required at a certain time. Number 13, BLEW, blue. That is the wind that moves, creating an air current. It is the past tense of blow. And BLUE, blue, this is a color. Blue is a color. Number 14, DEAR, deer, means deep affection. And DEER, deer, we all know, an animal. Number 15, RIGHT, right. Right means true or correct as a fact. And WRITE, right, to take down something on a surface using pen or pencil using the hand. Okay, we all write. You all are writing, I hope. Now we'll move on to some exercises related to homophones. Children, I gave you only 15 homophones. There are many more homophones leaving these 15. Okay, so you can go through all of them. Please write now. Circle the correct homophone in the following sentences. Circle the correct homophone in the following sentences. Number 1, I write, RIGHT, write, or WRITE, write, with my left hand. What will be the answer? The answer will be WRITE, write. Okay, I write with my left hand. Number 2, I HERE, here, or HEAR, here, the church bells ringing. The correct answer is HEAR, here. Number 3, Amit is Mr. Gupta's son. SON, son, or SUN, son? SON, son is the correct answer. Number 4, there are 4 FOUR, 4, or FOR, 4 books in the shelf. The answer is FOUR, 4. Number 5, this pink and BLUE, blue, or BLEW, blue, dress is mine. The correct answer is BLUE, blue. Number 6, this is our HOUR, or OUR, school library. The correct answer is OUR. This is our school library. Number 7, I like to swim in the SEAC or SEEC. The correct answer is SEAC. Number 8, I went to a fair, 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 or FARE, fair, with my grandmother. The correct answer is FAIR, fair. Now the same thing you have for your practice work with different sentences. So write it down. Circle the correct homophone in the following sentences. This you will do by your own. I will not give you the answers. Okay. Number 1, the flower, 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 or FLOUR, flower, smells sweet. Number 2, we like going TWO2 or TO2 see a puppet show. Number 3, there are 7 days in a week, WEEK or WEAK, week. Number 4, I know, 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 or NO, know, the answer to this question. Number 5, the man rode, ROAD, rode, or RODE, rode, the horse and ran away. Number 6, we went to THEIR, there, or THERE, their house, in the evening. Number 7, I ate, ATE, or EIGHT, ate a cupcake last night. Now the next exercise, let's see what we have. Fill in the blanks with the correct homophones. See, number 1, I saw a dash on the flower. The options are BEB or BEEB. And the correct answer is BEEB. I saw a bee on the flower. BEEB. Number 2, the wind dash the leaves. BLUE, blue, or BLEW, blue. And the correct answer is BLEW, blue. Number 3, I went dash my friend at the game. Number 3, I will dash my friend at the game. MEAT, meet, or MEET, meet. The correct answer is MEET, meet. Number 4, He will play the dash in the second play. He will play the dash in the second play. Options are ROLE roll or ROLL roll. The correct answer is ROLE roll. Number 5. What did you dash at the store? BUY buy or BY buy or BYE buy. There are 3 options and the correct one is BUY buy. What did you buy at the store? Now again, the same thing you will do for your practice work. Fill in the blanks with the correct homophones, but the sentences are different. See, number 1, it would be nice to have dash in the world. PIECEPs or PEACEPs. These are the options. Number 2, it will be a dash day today. FARE fair or FAIR fair. Number 3, you should never dash to your parents. LYE lie or LIE lie. Number 4, I have dash that movie before. SCENE seen or SEEN seen. Number 5, my dog hurt his front dash from digging in the yard. PAWS pause or PAUSE pause. I hope children, all of you have copied the homophones totally, the exercises and the practice work that I have given. Please do it in the copy by your own. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Hope you liked and enjoyed it. Thank you and have a nice day.